a mighty God. He is a mighty, mighty God. Mighty God is for people. Mommy. Mommy, you're so funny. Mama, can you have peace? I want some candy. Mama, okay, bye. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on his pony. Okay, now I'm gonna do the one. Want some cheese?
Hello. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. 6 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Little ducks said quack, 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 quack. But only 5 little ducks came back. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? And oh, see how great. Hey.
Huh?
Hey. Okay, I think I'm done. Hi. Welcome to Good Burger. Home of the Good Burger. Would you like to try a burger? Well,
do a show.
A show?
Do a video.
Would you like some fries to go with that Good Burger? Hey, where'd everybody go? Where'd everybody go?
What am I doing? Why?
Okay.
Anything else?
That's it.